This is the journey to one Africa. Hey, what's up, everybody, guys? I just want to remind you guys, sign up for the membership, man. In our family, you'll be helping and supporting the move we do right here. You can use Patreon. The link is in the description. You can use PayPal. You can use Super Thanks, Super Sticker, Super Chat. You can subscribe. You can like. You can comment. And we'll be honored, man, to go through your comments and to see what you think. There's another news came from Nigeria. And it came out a couple days ago, and a Chinese-owned supermarket in Nigeria's capital has been shut down by the authorities over allegations that it denies entry to African shoppers. The supermarkets in Abuja allegedly exclusively permit individuals of Chinese descent to enter, Nigerian Consumer Protection Watchdog said on X. All right, so, you know, for many years, there have been incident videos, claim of our people, Africans, being mistreated in China. We all know that there's a heavy racism going on in China. One of them, it was clearly during the time of COVID-19, which was brought by themselves. But then they were racist toward African people. And we have made those news. We have shared a lot of videos. But what is saddening my heart is multiple videos that we've seen in the continent. Chinese people beating some African workers. Some of them, they did not bow to that. They fought back and they beat the heck out of them. And one of the incidents that I was really proud of is the incident that happened in Rwanda, whereby Chinese people, they were mistreating Rwandese people. And what happened is, you know, they were deported. I mean, they were brought to court and also deported right away. It's crazy how a lot of Africans, they love the relationship between Chinese people and Africans. They say it's much better than United States. But I don't see that betterment, because you cannot just keep hanging on to that. Oh, these people, they treat us as partners. No, they don't treat you as partner. They treat you as a slave. Go to the project they do, because your people will be working some, you know, some low-ass job right there, cleaning toilets, cleaning some places, facilities, and then you find some Chinese people always smoking their cigarette and just commanding, do this, do that. I don't know. They just do that all the time. And our people will be suffering right there because they need of money, they need of work, and that's the only thing they can do. You're not treating us as equal. But most importantly, how they treat African workers. We have seen multiple videos of our people being beaten by Chinese people. But guess what? Now in Abuja, Nigeria, the supermarket, Chinese supermarket, they're saying no to Nigerians to enter. Black people, let me just say this, black people from entering the market because it's for only Chinese. Get the heck out of here, man. Kudos to Nigeria government for shutting down this supermarket. And the news said that they actually summoned the owner of that supermarket for questioning. The only sad thing is that we'll never see anything being taken, because they've been summoned for talks all the time. But as the result, these people are not charged, and you'll find out like the next week, you know, the supermarket is opened and whatever. But this is one of the things that I'm so proud of Nigerian people, because it doesn't matter even if your government failing you, but if the people stand up with everything they got and speak against it and demonstrate against it and maybe shut down this supermarket, it's some of the beautiful thing that would ever happen to us. You know what I'm saying? So kudos to the government of Nigeria and Nigerian people as well for not, you know, keeping up with this nonsense from this supermarket. This is not just happening in Nigeria. This is happening in so many countries in Africa. You cannot come to our continent and act like your boss. No, this is not even your land. And if you think of us as a partner and as equal, then you must treat our people equally. But the thing is, the government of China does nothing about the racism that are happening in China, does nothing about the mistreatment that is happening in our continent. And our government as well, sometimes it does nothing. But you know, we just came from Rwanda, and we had such a fascinating story in Rwanda. And in Rwanda is this, you know, if you mistreat Rwandese people, then you're gonna be called onto the court. But not only that, you'll be deported afterwards. You're going to pay a lot of money for what you've done to our people, and you're going to be deported right away. It doesn't matter you're Chinese, you're American, you're European. It does not matter. You must respect our people and treat them with respect as equal, because we have been mistreated before, and we cannot bow down to mistreatment ever again. So, Paul, I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
What would you do if that happened to you? And also you can share the news that you share with me, you know, of these incidents that happened in the continent and how our people reacted towards that.
Actually, like, what are we doing? Are we doing like what Rwandese did to the Chinese guys, or what this story is going to say? Like what I said in the morning, I saw the video on Twitter. Like the white guy went to the petrol station, and so on the way of asking the service, then he called them a monkey. So there was other colleague around there, so they had like the way he said, and he keep insisting calling them monkey. So they have to take action on hand and take him out from the car, and they started to beat him until the police came there. So I think that that's what I'm supposed even I to do. So like, you can't call me in my own country and call me that's such kind of name. So
exactly,
I think it's a time for us, even Africans, to do things like that, like to show them like this is not how you're supposed to be treated in our own country. Like, you can do whatever you want, but this is beyond for disrespecting. Like, exactly, you are disrespecting me in your home, and then you come to my home, then you are doing the same thing. So that's beyond. So at least I have the way to show you that I have the reason to teach you, like, this is how you're supposed to respect me.
Exactly.
If you don't know how to respect me, then I will show you that this is how you're supposed to treat
us. Yeah. Just think about it. Like, you're a white man, you're in Kenya, you are surrounded by black people everywhere, and you call Kenyans monkey.
That's a huge disrespect.
Imagine how messed up is that? You are in Kenya, in the middle of black people everywhere, and you call them monkey. Guys, I don't know if you know what I'm thinking right now. How messed up that is. That this man does not care about anything, and calling people monkey. Does not care about anything. These guys, they took him out of the car. They beat the heck out of him. That's what I would have done. Sometimes actions speak louder than words. I'm not going to kill you. No, I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to teach you a lesson. That, okay, if I'm a monkey, this is what monkey does. I'm going to eat you up like monkey, the way they eat, you know, what is that? Banana. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you call me monkey? Okay, this is how monkey acts. I'm going to take your skin off your body, and I'm not going to kill you. No, I'm not. I gotta be very careful with that. They might ban me here. I'm not gonna kill you, but I'm gonna act like a monkey. If I'm a monkey, I'm gonna show you what monkey does. You know, so kudos to you guys, because that's what basically monkey would do if you disrespect the monkey. You know what I'm saying? I'm a monkey, I'm gonna show you what the monkey does. Oh, and then not only monkey, but gorilla. Oh, I am the gorilla. Oh, I'm gonna beat the heck out of you, man. You call me monkey? This is how monkey acts. And even if you brought me to court, I'll be like, hey, he called me monkey. I'm a monkey. And I was just showing him how monkey reacts when you call them monkey. How monkey reacts when you mess up with them. This is how we react. Kudos to Nigeria, man. Kudos to Kenya, man. It's a time for Africans to take a stand. If our government is not going to take a stand, man, people will take matter on their own hands, and things are not going to look pretty. Chinese government must take action, must protect our people there, because you have your people here in the continent, and they've been treated as the kings and queens. Why our people are being treated as slaves? And yet, you have some messed up Africans who think like, you know, it's better to have a relationship with China. These guys don't interfere, you know, with our political issues. You will rather interfere with my political issues than undervaluing my value and my personnel. No, I'm not going to stand down to that. I'm not going to stand that, guys. You better undervalue my political values, but not my humanity value. Trust me, guys. Political value is right there, but humanity value is what makes us who we are. You see me as a slave? I'm going to show you how slave reacts when you mess up with them. You know what I'm saying? Slave men, when they try to escape, they don't care who you are. They're going to come after you, man, because they have nothing to lose, and you have everything to lose. You treat me, I'll tell you, don't you dare to call me a monkey. I'm going to show you what monkey react. Don't you dare to treat our people like that in our own country. What the heck, man? What are we doing? Chinese market stopping black men. And the sad thing is that these security guards, they're Africans, they're Nigerians, sitting there and they're like, you guys, you don't even question? Simply because you're being paid a little money, you stop your own people from entering? No, if I was the security guard there, I would rather lose my job. But man, I'll call all Africans. They will line up there and I'll be like, it's the time for you guys to go in. This is our country, man. Kudos that they closed this, and I hope they take a good actions. Because we had this story from Rwanda that, man, you cannot mix up with these people in Rwanda. You cannot. Don't you dare to mix up with them. Doesn't matter if you're African, if you're not, you cannot do that. Because they take care of them. And this is how we should take care of our people. Our own people. When you Chinese, man, it's the time to learn. Your government, I know, does nothing about it. They don't care. And then you have leaders. I've seen a video of a leader of China say, you know, our relationship has been ups and downs, but we always treat each other as partners. What kind of partner is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Treat our people with respect. I'm not going to do a business with anybody who treats our people like a monkeys. I'm not. I would rather not take that money. But if you treat my people with respect, that's the only thing. I'll look at you. How do you treat my people? How do you treat your work? I always look at that. A lot of people are reaching out to us to do some work together, but I'm looking at how they treat our people first before anything. If you treat them and you treat me differently because I have platform, because I have this influence. No, man. I'm not going to take your money. I'm not going to do anything with you unless you treat my people with respect. You treat one African, you mistreat them, you mistreat all of us Africans. And that is the spirit of Pan-Africanism, the spirit of unity we are talking about. You go after one of us, you come after all of us. Exactly. And we cannot bow down to that. So guys, let us know, man, what you think about that. What you think about that and what would you do in a situation like that? And kudos to those Kenyans, guys. I hope I'll find that video and we'll come back here to react on that, man. Oh, you call me gorilla? I'm gonna act like gorilla. You know what I'm saying? Beat the heck out of you, man. And I still love God and I still go to heaven. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna teach you a lesson. Out of here, man. Leave our people alone.